Wildfire season is in full swing, which has many homeowners wondering what the fires, smoke, and ash mean for their solar panels. West Coast Solar explores what you ought to know about wildfire season and your solar array. If you own your solar panels, check with your insurance company to review your coverage limits to avoid paying out of pocket to replace your panels if they're destroyed or damaged in a wildfire. When debris like ash covers your solar panels, it can affect their performance. If you're in an area that receives falling ash from a nearby fire, then check your panels to make sure they aren't covered in a blanket of ash. If you do notice ash on your panels, simply spray down the array with a hose. For caked-on ash, use a spray bottle with soapy warm water and a soft sponge to gently remove it. Check back for more tips from West Coast Solar and contact us if you have any questions. Stay safe and thanks for watching.